if you want to add picture to your contact on iPhone 17, you have to start by opening Contacts application. Next, you will have to click on the edit button in the right upper corner. So basically just pick any contact that you want from the list. And now click to add a photo. So as you can see over here, we can find multiple options, but if you want to put photo, we have to for sure go to the photos. You can take the photo right now by using your camera or go to the photo library. And over here, you can just scroll up and down and pick the photo that you want to set. Let's get this one, for example. Now we can adjust the size by clicking here. Click on the right upper corner, and now we can also find some suggestions to add some filters. So we will boost that photo. Click choose, and over here select switcher in the right upper corner. Click done, and as you can see right now, we have to click in the right upper corner, and that's how it looks. So if you find it useful, please hit the like button.